Hi, Michael here, and I will show you update for Claude Code action. Maybe you remember that I show you some fork repo for using your Claude Code subscription for this Claude Code action. But now you don't have to use this fork. You can just use official repo for Claude Code, and you will be good to go. You can call Claude in your repo and in your subscription. You don't need to pay for each request for API, etc. So I will show you. I'm in this project Hello World. Yes, I will, and here I can install Github app, and I will use current repository. I will be redirect to the GitHub, and I'm ready. It's done, and here I will show you. You can check if you want to tag Claude in your issue or PR comments or automated code review on new PRs. I will keep the first thing, and here this is the change. You can put your API key, that's the way it was before, or you can use this long-lived token with your Claude subscription, and that's what I'm talking about now. You will click yes, you will authorize, and you are done. It's creating this pull request where this mention thing and everything will be installed, and now Claude started to work. After this is done, you will just match pull request to your master, and you can use Claude like mentioning in your comments, or when you're creating issue, you just create issue and mark Claude to work on it. So yeah, that's it. The difference is now you only pay this $100 or $200 per month for Claude Code, but before this change happened, you would have to pay for each request through the API. That was like $1 or $2 per issue. So you will save money with this change. So take a look at it, and that's Claude Code GitHub actions, and I will let it in description. This is the link for this, and yeah, it's ready for you. Use it, don't worry about it. So see you next time.